Hi, I'm Christopher with CK Customs PA. We're going to take a deeper look at the WALAPress from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Today we have the 15x15 clamshell press. This press can heat up to 482 degrees. It features a fully digital display. The pressure knob is right up front for easy access. So at any point you need to change your temperature, you can change your pressure knob right here, really quickly on the fly. It's great for if you're, it's just a little tight, pop it loose, adjust your knob. This press also has an interchangeable heat pressing pad. So right here, this guy can come off. You can change it out with a pressing pillow. You could put it on, leave it off if you have a thicker garment that you need to put in here, like a big thick pillow you're trying to press, a heavy blanket, something's really folded up really thick. Or if this becomes damaged, you can change it out and put a new one in. Great feature there. Another thing I really love about this press is the distance between the top platen and the lower platen. You can actually lay a garment in here without getting your fingers up on the top platen and burning yourself. Because I'm sure we've all done that a time or two. Now this is the lower end model of the WALAPress series. So the next model up does have a pull-out drawer. So this lower platen on the next model up actually slides out. So you have even more space in there between your upper platen and your lower platen to lay your garment. Put your design down and work in there to get things ready before you press them without being too close to the upper platen. I'm going to adjust the camera. I'm going to bring you over and I'm going to show you the display settings on how to adjust things. So turn our press on. So to change your temperature, press our set button once and that gets us to the temperature up and down. 320 is what I want mine set at, so press set again. This is to change your time. I have mine set for 15 seconds. So we'll press set one more time. That brings us back to our main screen. You want to make sure you're at your main screen, otherwise the press is basically in limbo and will not continue to heat up until you're back to your main screen. Now when you first get your press, it comes in Celsius for the main temperature setting. In order to change that to Fahrenheit, you press and hold the set button for about 5 seconds, give or take. And you'll see that it popped up here with the C and the F. And you use the up and down buttons to change between the F and C here. Now I like mine on Fahrenheit. And then you just press and hold set again. And that changes it back to Fahrenheit, or over to Fahrenheit if your press is new. And those are some of the settings that you can change easily. Another fun setting on the right side here, you tap that, it will start your counter and run it independently without having to close the lid. You can tap it again to cancel. And at the bottom here you have a counter that will go up with the amount of presses that you've completed. Alright, that was our deeper look into the WALAPress. We went over the different features of the press. I do love a lot of the features on this press. It's great. Links are in the description below. If you like our content, please like, subscribe, follow us on all of our social medias. They're in the description below as well. Happy crafting!